Uyabathuma uJesu bathuma ukuthi bamlandele imbongolo. Ekubathumeni kwakhe ke imbongolo, he gave them clear instructions ukuthi uhlobo olunjani lwembongolo alifunayo. Instruction yesibili kwaba ukuthi uma abantu benibuza ukuthi niyisapi lembongolo batsheleni ukuthi sithunye uJesu, uJesu uyayifuna. Uma wenza into egameni lika Jesu and you encounter problems, impendulo zakho to overcome problems, you have to go back to the reference of uJesu said, because when you were instructed leyo nto but uJesu wangakushiyi ebaleni ukuthi you are going to encounter problems, so ukuphuma kulawo ma problems make me a reference. Okusho ukuthi umuthunye uJesu ukunika ama-instructions. If you follow Jesus' instructions, you will never go wrong. Nalapha abantu bayokuvalela khona, but Jesus is your password. Okusho ukuthi uma bakubuza abantu ukuthi nifunani la sithunye uJesu, kwenzekani lana uJesu, if we make Jesus the reference ebazalwane, le mbongolo bayilanda, but nabayilanda babuza abantu ukuthi niyisapi, baphendula bathi sithunye uJesu, uthi uJesu siyilande. Jesus is our reference. Uma sithandazela abantu bephila, we need to make him our reference. Ngoba uthe we have to go and do this and this. Jesus Christ.